So we got a pipe that broke here. We're gonna replace it, and so I got all the stuff down here. We're gonna put it together. So let's get ready to do that. Well, I guess we can kind of. All right, so we're gonna dry fit it first. We'll have the primer and cement here. Boom. Let's dry fit it first. Okay. All right, so what we want to do now is we want to dry fit it. So as you can see, we've dry fitted it, and that looks pretty good. Yeah. So this is all dry fitted. Now we're going to glue it all together and then put it up in there like that. So all right. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put these three pieces together first. So let's do this first. All right. So first thing is get the primer in there. Primer. Okay. Then you glue. Then you glue. And then we go ahead and slide him in there. Turn him like that. Get a nice turn. Hold it until it solidifies, about 30 seconds. Okay. All right. Go ahead and do the other side of it now. And in here. Okay. Glue it. Plenty of glue. Plenty of glue. Okay, then we're gonna hit this one now. Boom, like that. So that's right about there. Boom. All right, so that's that first section. Now we're gonna glue it onto the main pipe here just as soon as this cures up. Let's let that cure up for just a second. Okay, good. All right, now we're gonna prime this one. And we gotta prime the pipe up here. Yeah. It's kind of a dirty pipe, so we're gonna just give it a little extra. All right, let's do the next pipe. Okay. Get that glue in there. Glue around it. All right, let's get it fitted. Line it up. Alright, let's put the, let's change this glove out real quick. Okay, let's get this on here ahead of time, so that's ready to go. Oh, that ain't really fitting on there too good, is it? Not tight. Okay, let's get this on here. Fit better than that. All right. Final. Is okay, so there we are. That's the final. As you see, that's all fitted, glued together, and nutted up there at the top part. So that's a perfect little drain now. All that's broke piece is fixed. Brand new. All right, excellent, excellent, excellent. Looks really good. That's a nice P-track. Boom.